This is Anna J. Dodgson, Philadelphia City Hall, and I just wanted to make a video of this rather remarkable exhibit that has been put together by students and faculty, absolutely appalled at the fact that cigarette smoking is still so prevalent in young people. The tobacco industry, in their own words. Menthol brands have been said to be good starter products. New smokers appear to know that menthol covers up some of the tobacco taste, and they already know what menthol tastes like, candy. And that was the former maker of Cool. So, and here we have all the menthol cigarettes. And here are a whole lot of cigarettes. It's explained later on in the exhibit that all of the tobacco products that are shown here, cigarettes, cigars, were obtained free as starter cigarettes by companies trying to addict young people. The tobacco industry, in their own words. If our company is to survive and prosper, we must get our share of the youth market. From an R.J. Reynolds report. And here we have it. Where is tobacco sold? In Philadelphia. And North Philadelphia, West Philadelphia, actually pretty much everywhere. North Philadelphia tends to be less prosperous than other areas. And here are all these cigarettes in a beautiful pattern. They made a beautiful artwork. Interrupting addiction, the problem. Our youth are being targeted by the tobacco industry. 9 out of 10 adult smokers started smoking before the age of 18. Lured in by ubiquitous tobacco marketing and illegal tobacco sales to youth. So this is something that has been put together, but with the help of St. Joseph's University. And they put together information from the health department and various other places. St. Joseph's University is just on the border of Philadelphia, and in fact my oldest son, Angus Dodgson Picala, is a graduate of St. Joseph's University, a Jesuit university, very good place. And this is what caught my eye as I came in. So here's this exhibit. Younger adult smokers are the only source of replacement smokers. That came from R.J. Reynolds' report. So I've shown you the long view. Now we're going to walk in. You can see this lovely art. Now this is rather extraordinary here. The Tobacco Project, a collaboration between St. Joseph's University, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, and the Philadelphia Department of Public Health. Get Healthy Philly. The tobacco used to create this art was illegally sold to undercover youth surveyors who visited tobacco retailers and attempted to purchase tobacco. There's a law, you're not allowed to sell tobacco for anyone under 18. What they're saying here is that it's really easy to get cigarettes. The cigars, cigarettes, and loosies in this piece were originally intended to recruit the next generation of smokers. We are using innovation and art as a tool for social change by repurposing products intended to cause harm and addiction. Wow. Good for Professor Ron Klein. This is a very powerful exhibit. It's beautiful. Now, tobacco put in these forms, it looks rather gorgeous. But there's something else tobacco is used for. I remember when I was in Lagos in Nigeria, visiting the lab where drugs used in hospitals were tested. And they were tested on mice and all sorts of things. Apart from mice, they were tested on bacteria and all sorts of things. But the problem with testing them on mice is the snakes kept coming in and eating the mice. And the Nigerian pharmacists solved the problem by planting tobacco leaves all around the lab, and that kept the snakes out, which I thought was absolutely fascinating. And I'm wondering if there are other uses of tobacco that don't involve smoking and destroying your lungs. This is Susanna J. Dodgson, November 8th, 2017, in Philadelphia City Hall.